My name is John Cox, and I call this Baseline Farm. It's me and the farm and about 170 cattle at this point. Grazing area is close to 200 acres. The total farm size is about 260. I've been here 4 years, 4 growing seasons now, and we've grown quite a bit. I brought with me about 30 head of cattle total and bought a few more, but in general they've reproduced, and I've been selling steers as grass-fed beef, but we've also retained all the heifers that have been born. So just kind of keeping growing and learning how animals turn out and genetics wise. It's totally a grass-fed operation. We graze all grazing seasons starting in April some point when the grass is just about tall enough, all the way through as long as the grass lasts, which I'd like that to be into December, but where we're at with fertility and just getting things established, it might only be October or November at this stage. And otherwise, I'll make up the difference by buying hay and feeding hay during the winter season. And I view that as a kind of a fertilizer purchase in a lot of ways. Try to not buy the fanciest hay I can find, but look all around, buy from local guys, go down to the auction and buy what I can afford. And the cattle winter outside and spend the whole year outside. We move every day, at least once a day, and during the growing season, sometimes as much as 2 or 3 times a day, using a lot of temporary fencing, polywire, and reels to keep it organized and manageable. Watering system, we've got a pretty good well here, nothing fancy, but I've created a pipeline on top of the ground out of poly pipe, and there's a bunch of water points throughout the pastures where you can hook in a water trough, 100-gallon or something like that, and give water in every paddock. I don't have a background in farming. I grew up kind of in the suburbs of Fenton, Michigan, and went to college, got an engineering degree in mechanical engineering, and did that in the automotive industry. Worked for a number of years, and then kind of just went off and decided to give farming a try. I did some internships and learned pretty quick, and then kind of just jumped into it. So here I am trying to make a go of it. And it's been a lot to learn, not just about the animals, but a lot there, but about how soil works and plants grow and everything in that regard. Not to mention equipment and the things you might need to move things around, move hay around, move cattle around.